Hey rhythm strummers, here's a really easy way to play I've Just Seen a Face. I've just seen a face, I can't forget the time or place when we first met. She's just the girl for me, and I want all the world to see we met. La 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 la. Here's a really cool strum pattern that works for a zillion different songs. If you take a look at the strum pattern diagram here, what those things mean in our rhythmstrummer.com parlance is the bold arrows means you're going to emphasize those beats. The B's above the 1 and 3 means when you emphasize those, you emphasize your bass strings. The white arrow there for the second arrow just means you don't have to play that one if you don't want to. You can though, it's up to you. A lot of freedom here at rhythmstrummer.com, but what we do really insist on people getting is the right hand groove. That's a very, very important thing about being able to sound good when you play the guitar. Here's how this right hand groove pattern sounds. I'll play it on a G chord. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 take that real slow. Again, notice I'm going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and my right hand is going a steady up and down motion. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. 3, 4. Down and 2 and 3 and 4 and down and 2 and 3 and 4. Down. Want to do this for a very, very long time. You want to do it until you've internalized this feeling. You need to be able to do it and talk at the same time. Once you can do that, you're ready for chord changes. Let's go to an E minor now. Here we go. Let's try a D chord. What do you say? Here we go. And 3 and D chord. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Back to G. Here we go. Now, while you're practicing that, you might find that your fingertips on your left hand get really sore. Well, in that case, since what we're really working on here is the right hand groove, just mute your strings and play the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. This is what you want to internalize because it'll give you access to a lot of different, very cool songs. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Make sure that 1, 3, 1, 3 are enunciated. You don't want to just sound like you're doing this. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's try it on an E chord. Back to G. Have fun with that. I think you will.